Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still Mohammed Central Kabilago, and in today's video we are going to talk about uh, the advanced training option that we offer at Obforex Trading. Okay, part of what we do is to educate and enlighten people about binary trading and forex trading, and we currently have an ongoing binary trading and forex trading class for students who enrolled in October. Okay, the November registration has started, but that's not why I'm doing this video. Okay, the reason I'm doing this video is a lot of people come to me and they say, "Hey, I want to master forex. I want to master binary trading." Okay, but you cannot master it. You can learn the basics, but you cannot master the basics in 2 weeks. So that's why we have a long duration of 3 months and 6 months. 3 months for binary trading training, 6 months for forex trading training. Okay, so right now we have two packages for the advanced class. Okay, so for the advanced class, okay, we have for the advanced class we have what is called advanced class light and advanced class pro. Okay, advanced class light, okay, and pro. Okay, light means we teach you, okay, you get to join our lifetime mentorship program. Okay, but we do not share all our strategies with you. Okay, we teach you one or two strategies and that's it. That's the light program. The pro program is we teach you all of our strategies. Okay, you still get the lifetime mentorship program. Okay, but the most beautiful thing about it is that you learn but it's still based on your finances. Okay, still based on your finances. So for the light program, the advanced class light, we charge as high. I will charge 150,000 naira for that. Okay, for the advanced class pro, we charge 250,000 naira. All right, so you have uh, you have 150,000 for the advanced class light, and you have 250,000 naira for the advanced class pro. All right, so that's uh, the advanced class program we have. If you're interested to learn to master and become an expert trader in forex or binary trading, then I'd advise you go for the advanced class. Okay, we allow for what is called breakdown of the fees. How do I put it this way? We allow intermittent payment of fees. So which means you don't have to pay all of them once. You can pay half at the beginning, then pay up the rest before the end of the class, or you can split it into 3 ways. Okay. So but all depends on you. Okay. But the most important thing is binary trading is 3 months, forex trading is 6 months. Okay, at the end of it, you know how to like generate signals, place trades, okay, read the market very properly, and also you also have us for a lifetime giving you assistance and support and answering your questions. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Just want to let you guys know about this. So if you're interested in binary trading or forex trading advanced class, okay, reach out across to me and let's so that you get started. Okay, binary trading and forex trading is one of the ways to make money online, okay, from the comfort of your home. Okay, but you have to be taught. Okay, you have to become an expert for you to be able to do so. You can learn as a novice, but it's risky as a novice. But when you are seasoned and you've gone through our training and you have our mentorship program to guide you, okay, then you will have to, how do I put it this way, you will have, the sky is your limit. Let me just put it that way. The sky is your limit. Okay? Because with our guide and our support, you will go places. Okay? Alright guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions about this, feel free to get across to me. My contact information is in the description below. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.